In case you didn't know, Google Play Store does have a limited collection of free movies and TV shows, and here is how you can access it. First, select Movies and TV, and then what you'll need to do is in the search bar type in free movies. And there you go. When you do that, you'll see the free movies listed straight away. And if you scroll down, you'll see the free TV episodes as well. And it's that easy. When you select it, you'll see a huge collection of free TV shows that you can access from the Play Store. Now the collection for TV shows is pretty massive, and it's going to depend on which country you are in as well, because depending on which country, sometimes they might not have specific movies or TV shows available. The collection for the movies is a bit limited, but as I mentioned, depending on which country you're in, the collection might be a little bit more. So there is an animation movie, documentary, content, independent movie as well. And then it's going to change on a regular basis as well. So keep checking regularly. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you find out any other way on how you can have additional free content through the Google Play Store, let me know through comments. Thank you. Bye.